Good afternoon, and then good evening regarding your current location and your time. It's Danny SoftDev here again to talk about my personal portfolio website, which I've been hosted. So the URL is dannysoftdev.com, DANYSOFTDEV.com, and then you can navigate through and then see for your own self. But here today, I'm going to walk us through the project so that we will know what is in or what the package is all about. This project is a combination of an admin page and then the main page. So this is not like our normal portfolio app that we see that only has one side, that is the main page. That yes, this one, so that one is hard coded. If you want to change, unless the developer change things in the code for you. But this time around, it's my personal portfolio which has also an admin interface too. So let us run through the project and then know what it's all about. So when you search Danny DANYSOFT.dev.com on any search engine or any browser, you are going to see my personal website and then you can walk through it. So this is the landing page. This is the landing page. You have the about me, and then we have the skills, we have the experience. For this one, I've not uploaded anything yet. I'll do that so that we'll all see if it will apply. When you click on my download resume, you'll be able to download my resume. Oh, yes, you'll be able to download my resume. And then when you click on get in touch, you'll be able to send me a message. You'll be able to send me a message. Not that is not all. Yes, aside sending me an email message, you can also follow me on GitHub, on LinkedIn, on X, and then on WhatsApp. At the same time, you can chat me on any of these handles too, and I'll reply you. So we have the about me section, which contains a little biography of me. Yes, my biography. You can see the skills. I've not uploaded anything yet, but then we will test it today, or we'll test it alongside so that we know how it works. You can also view my experiences, which my experience contains my internship programs that I've gone through some years and some months past. You see my education and certification. So the year, the school, and then the type of certificate. You see my projects, and then you see my blog, and then sorry, yeah. So for the blog post, we will upload it, and then we all see, and then you go to the contact me where you have the contact form nicely there. So now let's run to the admin page. The admin page you need to sign in, but then it's only for one person, so it's my property. Uh, it's fully security. So it's one person that needs to sign. I think my network is really running bad. Sure, but then it will work. The network is really slow, but then it would work. Let's give it. Here we are. Here we are. This is the admin page, nicely, and then very beautiful. Yes, my website is a 3D website, so yes, you're going to see a lot of colors blending with different colors, and yes, and then you're going to see a lot of animations and transitions, which is making it so powerful. Well, let's go to this the about me. You can edit the about me section, and then once you click on save, it will save for you. Yes, we can also see the skills. Yeah, the skills. Okay, so let's go and add a skill so that we will know how it works. So here we have the skill name, we have the category, we have the proficiency level, and then we have the proficiency percentage. So let me add a skill, that is web application development. Let me choose a category where it's under programming and development. Let me go to the efficiency. Let me choose. Let me say I'm an intermediate, huh? And then my proficiency percentage. Let me make it 70%. Yes, 70%. Now you can choose to add a description, you can choose not to, but the rest are very important. So here I will ignore it, and then we'll click on save. Now we have our skill created successfully. So now let's run to the main page and go and see if it has reflected. Uh-huh. Yes, here on the main page we can see it here, web application development, which I'm an intermediate, and then you can see the percentage length there. Okay. Now let's go to the experience. So here in the experience, you can see my position. That's the position that was so internship, the company, the duration, the status, and then the action. The status is either you've ended it or you are currently working there, and you can either edit or delete any. Yeah, you can also add an experience to it. So if you go through the adding forms, you see a lot of positions as I've already mentioned. Now let's run through the education. That is where you see the degree or certification, the institution, the year, and you can also either edit or you can delete. You can either edit or delete. Now let's go to projects. So projects, I've not added any project, so let's go and add it, and then let's see if it will reflect. So let's see project title. Remember I posted project some time ago. That is the Achiase voting system that I created for my alma mater. So let's use that one. Yeah, so voting management system. Yeah, sure. And then yes, so let me write a short description: an online voting system to okay for our chances senior high school to enhance sure. So there's a description, and then yes, so the technologies used, as the languages used, or any apart from language you use anything, you can add it up. Me for that project was PHP, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and MySQL. You can add a preview link if you have. If you don't have to, you can leave it there. And then you go and add an image of the project that you have created. I can add the image. So you click on it, the pop-up menu or the pop-up dialog box, it comes out, it pops up. Then you select a picture of your choice, and then you would use it as or the picture of the project, and then you upload it so that when the person sees a project and he sees a picture, you actually get the understanding that, oh, okay, so this and this and this and this and this is it. Yes, they all help, and it is good. It is very, very good. So let me add mine. Mm, yeah, let me add mine, and then it's a featured project. So let me save it. It has saved successfully. So now let's go to the main page to see if it is there. Well, okay. So here we are. The project is there. So we have the voting system, the description under it, and then the image. I think the image is blank. Yes, I'll have to re-upload it. This might be the network problem. It's running very slow, so I would re-upload it and it will work. So now let's go back to the what do we call it, admin side, and let's go and check the blog posts too. let's go and then add something to it, and then let's see if it will pop up in the main page. So title, me, I mostly talk about AI and then programming. And I always say that programmers, AI can never replace a programmer, because the programmer is always needed to assist the AI to do a correct job. Yes, AI can never work on its own, especially in the tech world. Yes, you still need some individuals to sit behind the machines to speak to the AI and then direct it to the correct path. So let me use that as my blog. Let me copy the same for the content, because I'm just trying to, after that, I'll redo it well. You can choose to add tags. So here, let me add two tags, maybe AI hashtag and then the programming hashtag. AI hashtag and then programming hashtag. And here you can choose to upload a file, you can choose to use the URL, but me, I prefer to use the URL. I prefer to use the URL. So yeah, so that is my URL, and then I save it. You see the blog post has been created successfully. I didn't add date, that is why you see the date is invalid. If I had set the date, which the current date of the blog, it will come. So now let's go and see the blog post. Here we are. You see now the blog post is there. But then because of the network, the image is not able to reflect perfectly. We'll see, maybe when the network gets well, it will come. Okay, so now let's come to the getting done. So let me test one thing for you so that you know that my message form or my message box really helps well. So here you need to input your name, and my name is Danny Softdev. You need to input your email, and then my email is appiadaniel15@gmail.com, and then your subject. In fact, let's add something. We are just testing it. So whatever comes in mind, HHA, whatever. And then a message, let me say hi, and let me send it. Yeah, so once it's sent, you need to wait a little longer. Now, message sent successfully. Now let's go to the admin board to see what is happening in there, if it has reflected or not. Now you see it has reflected. So the one with the status new is the new message I've received. I received some messages that I have replied, and the new message I just received is there. So you can view it and then you can reply. You can view it and then you reply. Okay, so let's go and then reply the message. Let's go and reply the message. So the person says hi, so I'm also replying as hi, and then message sent. Yeah, message sent. Now I want to show you something. Let's go to them. Let's go to my Gmail and see something. Once you send a message to me through my portfolio website, you will have this notification in your Gmail. I mean the address that you sent the message to, that email address you sent it to, you will receive an automated message. That is from me. So to confirm that I have received your message, and then I'll reply you within 24 hours to 48 hours, as we can read from the screen. At the same time too, I also receive a message that I've gotten a contact. Okay, so someone have sent me a message, therefore I need to go and check it and then reply the person. And then I'll see the message you sent, and then I can reply you either from here, or I can reply directly from here, or I can go back to the main my admin page to reply you. Any of them works well for me. Now let's go to settings. Here is where you can set your, you see the about me. The about me talks about you, but then here you save your personal information, your social media links, you can upload your resume, and then you can do changes or update your admin credentials here. You can do all of that here in the settings. And then Let's go down there. Let me show you something where we can log out or go to the view. So when you click on view site, it will take you back to the main project. It will take you back to the main project. Or sorry, the main site where you can see me well. And at the same time, you can log out of the admin dashboard. Here, no one says it. Here, no one. Don't forget that we have some quick links that displays to you the number of people who have visited your site, and it is all working well. God be with you, and don't forget that God is coming soon. God is coming soon. God is coming soon. So live your life as Christ is coming tomorrow. God be with you. See you again. You can see the full video on my YouTube account, my YouTube channel. At the same time, you can run through my TikTok account, my LinkedIn account to get the video, and then watch it and share, like, and subscribe. God be with you more. If you need more projects, kindly reach out to me in any of my connect links. So my WhatsApp, my X, my LinkedIn, my GitHub, anywhere you can connect with me, and then I'll get your project done for you. If you're a company need a website, kindly reach out to me. If you need a personal portfolio website, kindly reach out to me. If you want a hosting domain, I mean a domain name, kindly reach out to me and I'll help you get a cheaper one. Bye bye.